Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best hacksaw blades for aluminum in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Mutter 20 Pieces Hacksaw Replacement Blades. This is a pack of 20 pieces hacksaw blades with high-performance metal/aluminum cutting capacity. If you use a single blade for your hacksaw, you should buy a pack for the future. You'll get 20 pieces of blades for your hacksaw, including 10 pieces of 18-teeth blades and 10 of 24-teeth blades. It'll offer you a sufficient quantity, and also 2 different choices will almost meet your all kinds of needs. Durability. For the quality of its materials, these blades are also powerful and work perfectly, featuring comfort flexibility. It is almost impossible to break these blades during work because they are completely wear-resistant and durable. Perfect size. Per inch, each measure approximate, the blades come with 18 teeth and 24 teeth. Perfect size for that supports all of the hacksaw machines, 12-inch length with 0.025 thickness and 0.6 inches in width. This is called a proper size for daily replacement. Professional cutting performance. In a word, they are the best choice for cutting all kinds of materials like piping, wood, metal/aluminum, and many more. These blades feature fast and quick speed with its 12-inch saw. If you compare them to others to check the working speed, you'll see these blades will win. Moreover, these will give you extra comfort during work. Number 2. Our second best pick is Starrett KBS SafeFlex Hacksaw Frame Blade. Thanks to Starrett for making this kind of blade for us. If you hate a hacksaw, this one is probably because you've never used one with a good performance blade. At this price range, the Starrett KBS 1232-10 hacksaw blades will stay in shape longer than a cheapo. In a word, there is no additional excuse for trying a lesser blade. It has 32 teeth per inch, that's why this one would only be the perfect option for cutting lightweight metals like aluminum. For its bimetal SafeFlex frame blade, it looks a bit unique from others. A patented solid-state diffusion is the making process of the tool, as well as over 170% more speed steel weld area and ground teeth. Its reduced blade fracture will help you with faster cutting and longer life. It leaves a perfect finish when you have done, and you'll not to worry about its blade, because you'll not need to replace your blade after several cuts for its durable blade. You can easily lubricate it with some equivalent for quick jobs. Without any extra hassle, this Starrett KBS 1232-10 hacksaw blade will offer you a temporary lube quality, and also will help you to keep the metal from gumming up in the teeth of the blade. If you're already using a 12-inch hacksaw, these blades will fit your hacksaw. If anybody often finds them to cut conduit on the task, having these on their bag will be the best option. Number 3. Our third best pick is Reviewic Classic TPI Metal Cutting Hacksaw Blade. I would like to suggest to you the cleanest and easy cutting hacksaw blade that will vastly help you cut your aluminum perfectly. Yes, I'm talking about the Reviewic Classic 28410H1024P. If you already know about the brand of this blade, you may notice that they are quite dedicated to offering a broad, quality line of power machine accessories and hand tools as well. This excellent cutting hacksaw blade is mainly created for amazing cutting performance. It features a cobalt matrix cutting edge with shatterproof teeth, so all your cutting projects will be done smoothly. This blade is made in the USA and available in different sizes and tooth counts, so you always have the chance of getting the most useful from the market according to your needs. You can cut metal, aluminum, and even plastic with the blade. What we like. Super sharp blade. Made in the USA. Easy to install. Affordable. What we dislike. A little bit thin. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hotmech 150mm Junior Hacksaw. As my second number pick of the best hacksaw blade for cutting aluminum, I've selected the Hotmech 150mm Junior Hacksaw blade. As its name says, it's a small and compact hacksaw tool for a small project. If you're going to start a short project and search for the best one to get your job done, there is no other option better than it. Small but of course effective, easy to use, and the blade lasted a long time. The aluminum alloy saw frame makes the hacksaw more durable and long-lasting for hard cutting works. Even its all-aluminum construction makes it more lightweight but created well enough for rare use. Anyone will love its design, and this one is more updated from the one number pick on the list. It is also suitable for women, men. It is well made and comfortable to use. Including a tension adjustment knob for extra comfort, light aluminum miter black with 45 degrees and 90-degree angles. For its affordable price range and strong material, this is the best one on the current market. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Lennox Tools Hacksaw Blade. These are the revolutionary brand new hacksaw blades design that delivers up to 99% longer blade life versus the prior generation of Lennox blades. Very lightweight and strong performance. They are suitable for cutting all kinds of aluminum, steel, and more. However, they are the most perfect for thick-walled stainless. Without any breaking, the bimetal construction allows the blades to flex and bend. Everything will be clean cut. No matter what style you follow to use a hacksaw blade. They have a spring steel body with a speed steel cutting edge, features the Lennox Tough Tooth stylish design. This style helps eliminate tooth strip page. It's working with most of the hacksaw frames in the market. What we like. Manufactured by a reputed brand called Lennox. User-friendly design. Offers to blend and flex. Shatter resistant. Gives up to 99% longer blade life. What we dislike. Nothing to say. Why should you buy it? Because you will get a clean cut for every single work. Long-lasting working capacity. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.